Here's how to download all your emails from Gmail in 2026. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official tool for downloading your data. By default, everything is selected. Click Deselect All, then scroll down and select Mail. This ensures you're only downloading your Gmail emails. Scroll down and click Next Step. Choose your file type, zip is easiest, and select how you want Google to deliver the file, usually via email. You can also choose the file size if your inbox is large. Click Create Export. Google will prepare your emails, which can take minutes or hours, depending on size. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all your Gmail emails. Like and subscribe for more Gmail tutorials in 2026.